In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly track your purchases on eBay using your desktop. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a package or simply want to keep tabs on your order status, this simple guide will help you navigate eBay's tracking system with ease. Let's get started by logging into your eBay account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to ebay.com. Once there, you'll spot the sign in option, generally located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't logged in for a while, it might be a good idea to have your username and password handy to ensure a smooth login process. Once you're logged into your eBay account, draw your attention to the top right of the screen and click on My eBay. This is your personalized space on eBay, where you can manage your purchases, sales, watched items, and more. When you click on My eBay, a drop-down menu will appear presenting several options for you to choose from. Here, you want to focus on purchase history, so go ahead and select that. Navigating to your purchase history allows you to see a detailed list of all items you have bought, arranged chronologically. This can be especially helpful if you're tracking multiple shipments at once or simply browsing past purchases. Take a moment to locate the specific order you want to check. Scrolling through your list, find the item whose shipping status you're interested in. Now, for the part you've been waiting for. Next to the item in question, you'll find an option labeled Track Package. Clicking on this will take you to a new page displaying the current shipping status and tracking details. This is where you'll find vital information on your package's journey, whether it's still with the seller, on its way to you, or waiting at your doorstep. The tracking details provided here can give you peace of mind, knowing exactly when to expect your shipment. A tip to keep in mind: if for any reason the track package link isn't available, it might be due to the type of shipping method used by the seller. It's always a good idea to reach out to them directly if you have any questions regarding the delivery status. Whether you're an infrequent buyer or a seasoned eBay enthusiast, tracking your purchases is a breeze when you know where and what to look for. By following these steps, you can stay informed about the status of your orders and plan accordingly for their arrival. That wraps up our quick tutorial on tracking your eBay packages using your desktop. Happy tracking, and may all your packages arrive swiftly and safely.